Did you know that the mask you have been wearing for the past 2 years doesn't fully protect you from COVID-19? Let me tell you why. Currently, one of the main filters used in masks or air filters are melt-blown filters. These have a fishing net structure. This means that if respiratory droplets or dust particles are smaller than the holes, they will go through. In order to capture fine dust or droplets, you have to make the holes smaller. But in doing this, the airflow gets worse, meaning it is difficult to breathe. Filters are also easily blocked with dust, affecting your ability to breathe. The melt-blown technology used in almost all masks for filtration is electrostatically charged, but it becomes less effective when exposed to moisture, and so filters must be changed frequently, which is a costly process. But these limitations are not just found in face masks. Air filters for air purifiers, vacuum cleaners, heating, ventilation and air conditioning units, aeroplanes and heavy machinery also face these challenges. In order to overcome these limitations, we need new filters with easy airflow and high dust capturing capabilities at a cost-efficient price. At Ka본솔루션, we are developing solutions for clean air with carbon technology. We have developed a completely new filter which can be used in face masks and in air filters for many different applications. Our filters have a couple of key features. Firstly, they have a lower pressure drop, which means air flows easily without blocking them. Secondly, they have high dust and gas capturing capabilities, meaning it is able to stop unwanted scents both entering and exiting the mask. Our filters are also 3 times larger than conventional melt-blown filters. This enables the filter to capture more dust without decreasing the airflow, and means you don't need to change the filters as often, saving on filter price and labour cost over time. We are also the only company in the world whose filters can both catch and destroy the coronavirus without the use of nanomaterials, which are dangerous for our health. This is backed up by our coronavirus antiviral certificate. Our filter is price competitive. While our filters are slightly more expensive than a standard filter, they last 3 to 5 times longer. For larger appliances like air purifiers and machinery, this is a huge benefit as it reduces the labour and maintenance cost for replacing filters. Our technology is incredible. In fact, we have imitated something you are using right now: your nose. This human respiratory organ has a unique way of filtering and helping you breathe well. Let me paint this in a slightly more interesting way. Even when small amounts of mucus collect in your nose, your nostrils are not blocked and you have no problem with breathing. Why is that? Because your nostrils are far larger than the size of the mucus. This means mucus is collected on the surface of the nostrils and air flows through without being blocked. The principle of our filter is exactly the same. Our filter's main structure is PUs, otherwise known as polyurethane. This is like a sponge which has huge holes through which air can flow easily. Dust, which are far smaller than the pores, are collected on the surface, which are then coated with fine carbon composites. Based on this concept and technology, we have been producing air filters for air purifiers, vacuum cleaners, HVACs, automotive, aeroplanes, and heavy machinery. To date, we have developed proprietary technology which are all IP protected. We have been testing samples with air purifier makers including LG Electronics and Electrolux since 2021. We have also partnered with Himpel, the leading provider of air solutions in Korea, who make heating, ventilation and air conditioning units. We are developing filters for cabin filters with BSM, Korea's #1 cabin filter maker, and will launch automotive cabin filters in the domestic market by the end of this year. We will then expand our application to aeroplanes and heavy machinery. We are looking for 1 million in funding, which we will use to increase production capability since we are facing increasing orders. We will also hire new staff for R&D and production. Then we can meet the increasing demand and expanding global business opportunities. And we can develop further new technologies. Thank you.